Ay, wow! Talagang mamovie. Netflix?
Where's the projector?
Beer. Ano yung saging?
What movie is this?
Ay. Wow, sino nag-edit nito? Yeah! Alam mo kung kanino galing to mga video na to. Yeah!
I swear that I would have a Cadillac eventually. I dreamt of having one before I even learned to drive. And I probably have to save it for a century, but shit, it's worth it having white holes on the side. Bitch, I would never ever let you drive it, even that's gonna be a suicide. Wait, homicide. Cause I would kill you if you ever try to grab the wheel of my vehicle, pull up and throw you out the ride. Leave you in the gutter, go and get another, take her home, put her on the counter, spread her like she butter, all because she saw the white holes pulling up the next day.
Ano yung rapper niya?
Just climbing to the base, running to the base. I realized I don't recognize this place, and I woke up from yet another white wall dream. Just a matter of time before I see.
Wow! Professional staff! Wow! Ate Elga yan. Kay Bea yan. Kay Bea galing yun. Wow! May pa-rotate your phone.
Day one of guys, planning the slash food.
Wow! Kala mo talaga meron ako dyan. Laki ah!
Di ulit. Yeah. Wala pa kaming ano. Saturday ko ako na lang. Dito ako na lang. Familiar ba?
Kaya yan. Kaya yan.
So
Birthday ni
guys,
Sam.
ang plano namin.
Gusto naman ng ano? Greg Well?
Ang gulo ah. Anong si Pao? Morning. Anong plano Pao?
Grabe, 2 weeks to ano ba yan?
Ano nga kasi yun? Hoy, naghanap sa kanya yan, di ba ba?
2 weeks tapos walang na plano. Galing, puro plano.
Shai, gusto mo ba sa Gregoire? Dito sa Zot. Makasagot siya yan.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh, Lord.
What if hatid ka na namin sa airport agad? May airplane na, no? Doon tayo mag-camp. Wala airport. Kayo lang. Picture ko. Wala kasi cabin sa Gregoire eh. Hindi na ma-input. Pero dami na sa
May certified.
Ano yung ginagawa?
Hindi Perry? Maganda din mag-camp sana, no?
Tapos ito tayo ngayon.
Sorry, magkasama kayo sa plano. Pero pag mag-camp, dami na tayong prepare.
Prepare.
Prepare. We say comments eh. Yung dami natin kita prepare. So, kakata pa natin ito mag-abay ako ay mag-nasa. Bye, Shai! See you on day 2.
Wow, talaga bang kompleto yan? O day 1 na lang.
Sabi na tuloy yan. Kumakain na naman ako.
Ano yun?
Day 2 na sa aming...
Wow, sarap niya, no?
Laway-laway bibig mo, Grace, sa pasit.
Birthday ko ba? Sabi ko screen time.
Mas marami kang highlight.
Day 2 ng planning and everything.
Trust me, wala kami pinlano niyang araw na yan.
Kumain lang.
Ay, gano'n?
Sino yan? Sino si Jai?
Hello, Shy, Monique.
Wow, wag na.
Uwi na kayo. And di pa namin matanggap sa akin.
Hindi pa nila matanggap ang iyong pagkawala.
Malaking spiritual growth na ginamit kayo ni Lord. I am not who I am right now. Siguro I'm still lost if not for you two. Malaking naging ambag niyo din sa life ko. And mamimiss ko kayo. And ayun lang, my only prayer for you.
Saan pa to si Kenny ko, ate? Uwi na?
May the Lord bless you and keep you, and may His path guide you wherever you go. And again, this is not a goodbye. See you. Always keep in touch, okay? I love you.
Wow.
Gabi-gabi mo siya update tayo.
Serious note, I pray and everyone that nurture the habits that you have.
Ano yan eh, nung Wednesday? I don't think tayo naghanap pa ng damit na isuot.
Hindi,
ganun na talaga susunod kasi paki-confirm nga.
Ay,
Yes, kasi nahanap na ni Ate Lian kaya natala din na lang lunch.
I pray that you put that in the center of every decision that you're going to make and experience the sustenance and providence and us in all areas of life. I will definitely miss our marriage and switch that we
Grabe ah! May ano tayo, may garbage bag. Naghahanap nga si Chris. Wala kang bilis. Wala lang kita kapibit eh.
Hi, Monique.
Pangkachay pa lang pala.
Ano iba yung tsura mo doon?
Because back then,
Grabe yung iba?
All the areas of person.
Hindi naman.
to bring me to this
Yung
church,
light
and that's
yan
why
lang
I'm
para.
really grateful. And as we spend more time with one another, I've come to realize that we really have a lot of things in common. We have characteristics and traits that are
Talaga naman.
with you.
Kailangan nyo lang galingan tayo kasi alam ko naman to.
And I can really talk with you. And I can also remember that night I randomly called you and said hi out of nowhere. That was the night that you finally decided that you were going to go back. And you know, I was really a bit emotional and a bit lost. But
Uy, may emotional at lost.
I don't want to be dramatic.
Yung mga sabi na mawala ka,
Make a stay because as much as possible, we don't really want to see you go. But it's a decision that really comes to your soul. So I'm happy and we support you with that. But I just want you to know that as you
ikaw ha, dadala mo daw, hana nakatapitan ako.
I really hope that you understand the purpose of your life. And in every decision that you're going to make, I pray that His right
Reflection video. After yan,
I'm just here.
Bilis ang salita niya.
dapat ikaw na lang, dinamay mo na binakas mo na sana namin.
I will just miss our summer walks, so winter walks, mapamainit man or malamig, naglalakad tayo. And hindi ko our
Ngayon, lost na siyang maglalakad. Ano na siya? Ganun na siya Lost ka na. ate.
We'll miss you and God bless you. Mwah. Bye.
Thank you. Fake! Oh, fake ka dyan!
Yung piano key.
Bye, ingat dyan, ingat dyan. Bye-bye. Wala na kami sasabihin. Bye-bye.
Wala na daw sila sasabihin. Bye-bye.
Ano yung song? Shy. Shy.
Uy, kanina tawa yun.
Uy, pang Eminem na.
Ayan! Wow! Ay, ganda naman!
Grabe yung shift ng emotion nila. Transition yun. Tawa ka na ulit.
Huwag kayong matakot kasi dala-dala niyo at nasa sa inyong pinigay na naman. So, hayaan niyo na gamitin niyo yun kahit saan lugar na kayo, saan parte na kayo ng mundo. Ayun, we will miss you. And, tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
Yes,
kahit nasa Philippines mo kayo. And malay mo, next month nandito na ulit kayo.
Wow! Talaga may namanifest si ate.
May the Lord continue to bless you, protect you, and guide you. We love you. Bye.
Ano yan? Ito sa tuligan. Ay, sorry guys. Sorry guys. Ano ba yan?
Hi guys, I'm Malik. I can't really put it into words.
Sa kanya maganda yung special also.
Anyway, good luck sa next and new journey niyo. May the Lord bless you always and guide you always and protect you from Ravans. And ang masasabi ko lang is tiwala lang tiwala tayo sa mga decision niya sa life natin kasi mas maganda yung plan niya for us or for you. Take-uwi niya ng Philippines. You'll never know. After ilang months, I don't know, or weeks.
Weeks nun.
Maganda nung kanya eh.
Sa kanta na nga lang, wala nang, hindi marinig.
Unang pa yung music nyo.
Ano naman? Pag ano na siya, hindi
Maliban sa ating friends and
Grabe, rinig na rinig yung message. Nakakaluha. It's giving. Love you.
Boy, I just want to say I wish you the best in future endeavors in the Philippines, and that you will succeed in your life very well. Isai, happy birthday from the future.
Wow! From the future.
Unang oras We're gonna miss you.
Miss
So, we
you.
hope na yung mga pangarap mo ay natupad pa. At
Kapag tapos ka ng
And especially, Ate Shai, happy birthday. I hope you're the happiest on your birthday. And we wish you all the best, all the love and loves in the world. And
Are you having moments?
we're gonna miss you and we love you so much. Bye-bye.
Big brother ang sarap.
Yan ang hindi kayo marinig. Dahil laksan mo ha, dahil. Hindi ka marinig dahil. Hindi na gano'n malakas yung back.
Nakalakas ka. Ulang ko eh. Dahil kanila pa kayo ulit.
Dahil sa ulo mo pa dahil.
Send ko na lang dahil. Gusto ko na dito.
Sige, send mo.
Yung practice ko dahil sa tulog na ako sa mga bata.
Wow! Ganda na naman. Lalaban din pa rin. Nakawin ko na dahil ko din siya. Guilty ka dyan na.
Nabulips ka dyan ah.
Kimi, see you soon. See you sa Pinas.
Wow. Wow, morning, babe.
Morning nga yan. Well, hindi ka na mahanginan yung microphone mo siya.
Mahangin ah.
Hindi, tag-ulan yan. Ano ba kayo?
Amihan daw. Aww. Yay! Thank you, everyone! Kaganda nyo, gapo. Kain pa, guys.